are very proud of ourselves. We have the love strong in the look to our food, nuts and sweet. We have strong with the strong confidence in the budget. We are living in the village, so this is what a sunny world of space we can see far, far away. Would you like to fly with us? Well, I'd love to. Come on, Sam.
This is the place where the earth and roots connect.
Falling!